This man hiccuped non-stop for 68 years straight. Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922. He was slaughtering a hog. Something triggered it. The hiccups never stopped. 68 years of constant hiccuping. 40 times per minute at first. Later, it slowed to 20 times per minute. That's 430 million hiccups total. Doctors tried everything. Nothing worked. He lived a normal life. Got married twice. Had 8 children. The hiccups finally stopped in 1990, 1 year before he died. The longest case of hiccups ever recorded. Subscribe for more medical mysteries.